Welcome back to the channel, Gearheads. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting full-size SUVs to hit the roads in 2026, the all-new Nissan Patrol Nismo. This isn't just another luxury hauler, it's a wild blend of track-inspired performance, desert-conquering capability, and opulent 7-seater luxury. With a jaw-dropping 495 horsepower from its twin-turbo V6, making it the most powerful Patrol ever, this beast is exclusive to the Middle East for now, but it's turning heads everywhere. If you love massive SUVs that can embarrass sports cars while carrying your whole family in comfort, buckle up. This is the Nissan Patrol Nismo 2026, wild luxury redefined. Let's rip it apart. Exterior design, aggressive and bold. First impressions. This thing looks like it means business. The 2026 Patrol Nismo takes the already imposing Y63 Patrol platform and injects pure Nismo attitude. Up front, you've got a completely redesigned aggressive bumper with massive air intakes and a bold V-motion grille featuring a 3D honeycomb mesh pattern. Those Formula E-inspired rear fog lamps add a unique motorsport flair you won't find on the standard model. Nissan widened the body slightly. Overall length jumps to 5,295 millimeters, width to 2,070 millimeters with Nismo over-fenders and fender vents that scream performance. Side profile highlights include exclusive Nismo side steps, red accents on the D-pillar, sporty side mirrors, and those massive 22-inch forged alloy wheels by Rays, wrapped in high-grip tires. They fill the arches perfectly and reduce unsprung weight for better handling. Red painted brake calipers peek out, reminding you this isn't your average family cruiser. Around the back, a unique Nismo rear spoiler, redesigned diffuser elements, and a more pronounced exhaust setup give it a planted, aggressive stance. Colors: think mineral black, radiant white with black roof, grand blue, or the stealthy Nismo stealth gray. Optional panoramic sunroof adds that luxury touch. This isn't just styling for show. The aero tweaks and brake cooling ducts, which lower disc temperatures by up to 6%, come from Nismo's track expertise. Whether you're blasting down Dubai highways or tackling dunes, the Patrol Nismo looks ready for anything. Interior: opulent wild luxury. Step inside and the wild luxury label makes total sense. The Patrol Nismo seats up to 8 or 7 in some configs, but it's configured as a spacious 7-seater with serious comfort for long hauls. The cabin features genuine leather seats with Nismo suede inserts, red stitching, and embroidered Nismo headrests, red seat belts, and a red start-stop button add that sporty pop. Door trims mix suede and leather, while aluminum foot pedals and an adjustable bolster give the driver a commanding, performance-oriented feel. Tech is next level. Twin 14.3-inch monolith displays up front for a seamless infotainment and instrument cluster experience. There's a massive 12.8-inch rear seat entertainment screen, head-up display, 3D around view monitor, and invisible hood view for off-roading. Klipsch premium audio system with up to 12 speakers delivers concert hall sound. Second and third rows offer generous legroom, up to 995 millimeters in row 2, 836 to 900 millimeters in row 3, with fold-flat functionality from the cargo area, heated, ventilated, and massaging seats with biometric cooling. Check. Multicolor ambient lighting, electric steering wheel adjustment, and an ionizer air filter keep everyone fresh. It's quiet, refined, and premium. Think Range Rover vibes, but with a bolder, more athletic edge. Cargo space remains huge even with all seats up. Perfect for family adventures or weekend getaways. Performance: 495 HP powerhouse. Now, the heart of the beast. Under that Nismo red engine cover sits the hand-assembled VR35D DTT 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, built at Nissan's Iwaki plant in Japan. In sport mode, it unleashes 495 horsepower at 5,600 RPM and 700 Nm of torque at 3,600 RPM. That's a massive 70 horsepower bump over the standard Patrol thanks to region-specific tuning optimized for high-quality Gulf fuel, paired with a recalibrated 9-speed automatic transmission and paddle shifters. Power delivery is sharp and responsive. Expect thrilling acceleration for a 2.8-ton SUV 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in the low 6-second. Range feels entirely possible, but Nismo didn't stop at power. The suspension gets Nismo-tuned E-Dampers with adaptive air springs for real-time adjustments, smoother on highways, planted in corners. Electronic power steering is retuned for better feedback, while enhanced vehicle dynamic control keeps this giant composed. Exhaust note is more pronounced, enhanced by active sound enhancement in the cabin. Brakes benefit from better cooling, and the all mode for WD system with low range ensures it can still play in the sand dunes that made the Patrol legendary. In the Middle East, fuel tank holds 97 liters, towing capacity up to 2,000 kilograms. It's not a lightweight sports car, but for a full-size luxury 7-seater, this thing moves with surprising agility. Imagine overtaking on the highway while your passengers enjoy the quiet cabin. Pure dual personality magic. Tech, safety, and off-road capability. Safety and tech are comprehensive. ProPILOT suite includes adaptive cruise, lane keep assist, predictive forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot intervention, and more. Rear cross traffic alert and driver attention monitoring. Add peace of mind for long family trips. Off-road, adaptive air suspension raises ground clearance up to 23 to 26 degrees approach, departure angles in high mode, while the 4WD system and terrain modes keep the Patrol capable where others fear to tread. It's the perfect mix, wild on the track or desert, luxurious on the pavement. Who is it for? Pros, cons, and verdict. So, who should buy the 2026 Nissan Patrol Nismo? Enthusiasts in the Middle East who want a flagship SUV that blends family practicality with genuine performance thrills. It's more powerful than the US spec Armada Nismo, which gets 460 horsepower, tailored for regional tastes. Pros: insane power for its size, stunning presence, luxurious and tech-loaded interior, proven off-road routes, exclusive Nismo details. Cons: thirsty on fuel, available only in select markets for now. Price will be premium, expect well into 6 figures depending on spec. And it's still a heavy beast, not for tight city parking. Overall, this is wild luxury done right. Nissan has created a Patrol that honors its heritage while pushing into new performance territory. If you're in the UAE, Saudi, or nearby and want a 7-seater that turns heads and delivers smiles per mile, the Nismo is a serious contender against Land Cruiser, Range Rover, and Escalade rivals. What do you think? Would you daily this beast? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like if you're impressed by the 495 horsepower, and subscribe for more epic SUV reviews. Thanks for watching. Stay wild, stay luxurious. See you in the next one.